Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook Nigerian beans and 3 ways you can enjoy this recipe. If you're interested, keep watching. So I'm starting with 3 cups of beans. First thing to do is to wash the beans neatly and then put it in the pot, parboil it and wash it the second time. The reason why we wash beans 2 times is because of the chemical they use to preserve it. So you want to wash it very well to get rid of those chemicals before it's good for consumption. Guys, beans is one of the best food in Nigeria. Any home you visit in Nigeria eat beans, and it's very easy to prepare. The ingredients you need for this recipe is very cheap and affordable. So once I'm done washing these beans, I'm going to transfer it into the pot, allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it again. There are many ways you can enjoy these beans. It is either you cook it porridge with yam, or maybe with plantain, or if you don't want to cook it like that, you can also eat it with garri. You will still enjoy it. You can also use beans for moi moi. You can also use beans for akara. Whichever way you want to prepare your beans, you are going to love it. It's going to taste nice. Guys, as you can see, I'm washing the beans for the second time. Once I'm done washing these beans, I'm going to put them back in the pot, add water on it, and then allow the beans to cook proper. If you ask me, I would say beans is one of the cheapest food in Africa because it's easy to prepare and you don't need much ingredients to enjoy this very recipe. Whichever way you prepare it is still going to taste amazingly. Next, I'm adding water and then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook proper. Once the beans is cooked, I'm just going to check it to see if it's soft to my taste because I love my beans to be very soft. Next, I'm going to match it a little bit with my spoon. That is how I love my beans to be. Once I'm done, I'm going to keep it aside and then begin the next process. In Nigeria, did I mention we have two types of beans? I don't know about the other one, but we have the black-eyed beans and the brown beans, which is the brown I'm cooking. Next, I'm adding oil in the pot. As you can see, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. Sometimes I use sunflower oil or groundnut oil, as you may call it. I'll fry it a little bit and then I start adding my ingredients. I'll add my spices and my crayfish. So guys, this process is not a must that you must fry your onions. So you can just cook it straight away without frying it the way I'm doing now. But this is how I like to cook my beans. Once I'm done, I'll start adding the beans in the pot. Then I'll allow the beans to cook for another 15 minutes or so, depending on how long I want to cook it again. If you're still watching this video up to this point, thank you so much for your time watching my video. I so much appreciate you all. Next, I'm going to be adding my smoked fish. I almost forget it. If you watch my video a lot on this platform, you'll notice that I don't joke with smoked fish. I'll add a little bit of water, cover it to boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. Did I mention you can also enjoy beans with rice? The combination is so nice. It tastes so amazingly. I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to check it, stir it again, and then that is it. Next, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to enjoy these beans. Don't forget, if you love this video, you're new to my channel, please subscribe and let's become friends, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I come up with another amazing recipe like this. I'm just going to test for salt and then that is it. So guys, you can enjoy these beans with bread or maybe with plantain. Or if you don't like plantain, you can enjoy it with garri. This one is the one we eat when we come back from school and the beans is very small. Girl, you got to add that with garri so that it will do you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See you all on my next video. Remember guys, I love you all. Peace out.